Hello guys, today I got my hands on iPhone SE2, the new 2020 version. It's a very nice budget model phone, even it has 128 gigabytes of RAM. We also got a silicone case cover with it. It's an Apple original cover, very nice to protect the camera that's bulging out a little bit. It's a silicone case, not a leather one, but it will fit very good on this iPhone. I'm gonna open this box. It looks just like all the other iPhone boxes designed by Apple in California. There's of course all the booklets and the stickers inside in this thing. Underneath is the phone itself. All the plastics are still on it. It looks a bit outdated due to the fact that the screen does not cover the entire front. The camera is bulging out. We don't have a Face ID but a fingerprint sensor. Let's put this away. Of course we have the European socket again. The ears, they are now with the lightning adapter. They're no longer in the plastic case but they're in a cardboard one. And of course another USB to lightning cable. Too bad they don't include the more powerful chargers yet, but that will be sure in the future. It looks a bit outdated, but it's actually larger than the normal iPhone SE. It's a bit slimmer. I would definitely recommend this phone to my mother, for example. It's not too complicated, it's not too expensive, it's nice. Then let's take a look what's inside the booklets. Yeah, there's a lot of information here in European languages again, in German, in French. It just explains a bit how you can navigate. The SIM lock tool is there again. You can, as always, put it in the side of the phone and place a SIM card. A lot of warranty stuff that's not very interesting. But hey, that's legally mandatory, I think, so okay. And as usual, we have the Apple stickers. Maybe I should start pasting them all over the place and then Apple will stop making them or stop forcing them, because the time when you put them on your BMW and you were very cool is over. Have a nice day.